Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Mikel Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook. Chicken cauliflower stew. Get 1 pound chicken, cauliflower, small to medium sized onion, 3 garlic cloves, tablespoon rosemary, tablespoon parsley. You could use dried or fresh herbs, tablespoon or less salt, quarter between half tablespoon vinegar, 1 between 2 tablespoons ketchup, optional. You could use any flavored vinegar, quarter cup or less cooking oil. Visit Jamaican Cookings, JamaicanDinners.com. Measure 1 between 2 tablespoons homemade chicken seasonings. You could use all-purpose powdered seasonings instead. I am putting seasonings on a plate. Measure 1 teaspoon and a half salt and then put it on the plate. Keep the seasonings separate. Go to the next step. If using fresh herbs, pour enough water into a container. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in it. Wash the herbs leaf clean. Use your fingers, rub it clean. And then give it a final rinse. Put the herbs on a paper towel. Allow it to drain. Allow the water to drain. Remove the rosemary's leaf from the rosemary's stem. Hold the leaves together. Use a cooking scissors. Shred rosemary's leaf to rosemary flakes. Remember now, you can use dried or fresh herbs. Put the herbs on the plate with the other seasonings. Keep the seasonings on the plate separate. Measure 1 teaspoon parsley flakes and then put it on the plate. Put powdered seasonings aside. Go to the next step. Or put the herbs flakes into a coffee grinder. Use it. Grind herbal flakes to herbal powder for 40 seconds. If you do not have a coffee grinder, put the herbal flakes in your palm. Use your fingers. Grind herbal flakes to herbal powder. Use a knife. Peel garlic. Trim spoilage. Grind garlic to puree or mash it to pulp. And then put it on the plate amongst the other seasonings. Peel onion. I like to cut the onion in half. It's easier to handle. Remove the brown skin only. Remember, the first layer of the onion is the strongest. Cut off the top and the root end. And then dice or slice the onion fine. 1 or 2 stalks scallion. Trim off the scallion's leaf tip and the root end. Pour enough water into a bowl. Sprinkle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Wash the scallion clean and then rinse it properly. Use a sharp knife. Chop scallion fine. Or use a cooking scissors. Chop scallion fine. Put the chopped scallion on the plate as well. Seasonings. Put this aside. Go to the next step. Cut off the cauliflower's leaf and then separate the cauliflower florets. Next, sprinkle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. You could use a teaspoon or less salt instead. Pour enough water into a big bowl. Now wash cauliflower clean. Put the cauliflower into the water. Use your hand with your fingers. Dip the cauliflower in and out of the water. Put your fingers between the cauliflower's florets. Wash in between the cauliflower clean. Once you did that, throw off this water and then rinse the cauliflower. It's best if you do this part on a fresh running water. Put the cauliflower into a colander. Allow the water to drain. Now chop big cauliflower florets. Do not waste the cauliflower's stem. Use it. Cut cauliflower's chunks. From these big pieces of florets, break off smaller pieces of florets. Use a knife, cut between the floret, cut small florets. And then put it amongst the small cauliflower florets. Cleaned and prepared cauliflower florets. Cover it, put this aside, go to the next step. To clean and prepare the chicken for cooking, ensure chicken is defrosted. Pour enough water into a bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. And then add defrost chicken in the water. Use the knife, scrape the chicken's skin clean. Trim fat. Now use a knife, go between the chicken's bone, remove clot blood. Look for and remove anything that is not chicken's flesh. After that, throw out this dirty chicken water and then pour fresh water on it. Put the chicken under the running water. Rinse the chicken properly. Use your hand with your fingers. Rub the chicken clean. Ensure the chicken is cleaned properly. Put the chicken into a colander. Allow the water to drain. If you're in a hurry, do like me. Put the chicken between your palms. Squeeze it. This will drain the excess water. Put the cleaned chicken aside. Go to the next step. Next, chop chicken chunks. Put chicken part on a chopping board. Use a sharp knife. Cut chicken strips, such as this. And then chop chicken chunks. Chop 1 inch to 2 inches chicken chunks. For this recipe, you could use boneless chicken, you could use bone-in chicken. Chopped chicken chunks, put it aside, go to the next step. Oh no, not yet. Add half the chicken seasonings on the chicken chunks. Add half the amount of salt on the chicken chunks. Use your hand with your fingers. Coat the chicken chunks with chicken seasonings properly. Rub the chicken seasonings on the chicken chunks well. Massage the chicken seasonings in the chicken chunks, into the chicken pieces, on the chicken pieces. Marinate 1 hour between 24 hours. However, you could start cooking now. Cover it, put this aside, go to the next step. Turn on stove's flame. Put a medium saucepan or stewing pot or stew pot on the fire. If inside the pot is wet, use a paper towel. Dry it, measure and then add 1/4 cup or less cooking oil. I am using coconut oil. The stove's gauge flame is on 4, medium-low. Allow the oil to get hot. 1 minute between 2 minutes. You can see a little smoke burning off of the oil over the heat. Now the oil is ready for cooking. Keep the prepared vegetables and seasonings near. After a minute, between 2 minutes, add the seasoned chicken chunks in the heating oil. Put the chicken chunks on its own spot. Keep the chicken chunks 1/8 of an inch apart. Allow the chicken to fry golden on each side. Allow the chicken chunks to fry golden on one side before you move it. The stove's gauge is on 4, medium-low, allow. After 3 between 4 minutes, depending on how big the chicken chunks are, you could let it stay for 6 minutes. Use a cooking fork. Flip the chicken chunks on the other side. Allow the chicken chunks to fry golden on the other side properly. Go through patiently. Flip each chicken chunks on the other side. Allow. The stove's gauge is still on 4, medium-low, allow. Measure a quarter between add teaspoon vinegar. You could use any flavored vinegar. Measure the vinegar and have it near. After 3 minutes more, a total of 6 minutes, you could go as far as 8, maybe 10 minutes. Add chopped onions. Shuffle the onions. Ensure the onions are frying in the oil. Allow the onions to saute. After 30 seconds, after 20 seconds, add mashed garlic. Shuffle the garlic in the oil. Allow the mashed garlic to saute golden. Add chopped scallion. Use the cooking spoon. Shuffle the scallion in the oil. Allow the scallion to saute golden on the edges. Will give this meal a flavor that is not in the vegetables. After 10 between 15 seconds, add herbs. Right after that, add cauliflower florets in the pot. Add the small pieces of cauliflower florets. Use the cooking spoon. Stir it. Add the vinegar. Stir it a few times. Fast. Turn the stove's gauge flame on 2. Use the cooking spoon. Stir it. Stir it. Stir it a few times. Now measure a quarter cup or less water and then pour it in the saucepan. Right after that, use the pan's lid. Cover it properly. Cover it fully. Turn the stove's gauge flame on 2. Allow. After a minute, stir it. Use a cooking spoon. Stir it a few times. Cauliflower do not take long to cook. You could add a tablespoon or 2 of ketchup, but I'm not going to. You could do it for another dinner idea. Use the pan's lid. Cover it. I'ma let it stay for a minute more. Don't let the water steam out fast. You could turn the stove on low, very low. After a minute more, 2 minutes in total, use a cooking spoon, stir it. This is it. It's finished. Turn stove off. Cover it until serving. When you serve this chicken cauliflower stew, use a cooking spoon, stir it. Moist the meal up. I am taking a scoop of this delicious looking chicken cauliflower stew to lay on a plate of rice. Chicken cauliflower stew. This is chicken cauliflower stew. Visit Jamaican Cookings, JamaicanDinners.com. You should try making this chicken cauliflower stew yourself. When you do, come back, leave a comment, share your experience with us. This is chicken cauliflower stew. This chicken cauliflower stew tastes delicious. Do not add ketchup, although you could add a tablespoon between 2 tablespoons of ketchup for a different dinner idea. For another dinner idea, you could add sliced mushrooms. add the mushrooms the same time as the cauliflower. If using boneless chicken, cook it the same time. The rosemary and the parsley herbs complement this chicken cauliflower stew perfectly. This is important. Ensure to fry the chicken chunks golden. If you do not fry the chicken golden, when it starts to steam, it's gonna get white. Some people might not like to see that. Most people like to see the chicken fried golden, such as this. For another dinner idea, you could add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. You could use any flavored cooking wine. Some of these cooking wine flavors gin, which will make a meal delicious when you add cooking wine. Keep leftovers in the refrigerator no more than 1 between 2 days. However, you could freeze this chicken cauliflower stew up to 6 months or longer. The sauce or the gravy in this chicken cauliflower stew tastes real good. I am calling this meal chicken cauliflower stew, aka cauliflower and chicken. Megan, what good?